But me no want no money through no Western Union because me not go collect it. Me I tell you godly truth. So I'm baby mother them would and send me one money. Wanna keep it bro. Because me not go collect it. I swear to God if I lie me I tell me not collecting it because me have to go be able to turn up in a line and all of them sitting there. Zin? Yeah bro. Round here man. I don't get no grandkids yet bro. If you see me kids them got kids so me can lift them up and know say yo I'm a grandpinny them and me make kids we make kids. So bro. Me have to, yo, God know you, if me not protect my life, who the fuck go do it, bro?
Gotti, you know that, bro. I mean, can tell you this because remember, I got a whole heap of run up and down there, you know. Whole heap of teach you bring me up and see me before me even have a name, dog. Man, you got to get up and
bro. You don't know you as that name. Sorry for calling that name there, if you know.
Yeah, man. Boss, man.
Just cool, man. Bro, remember good. I'm me on the idol, bro, because me
motivate you. Ask you, dog. Me tell them every day, that, dog. Me tell them every day, dog.
I want to start singing out and tell everybody around him, say, him, when you can feel, say, everybody. The man make them know and tell them, say, yo, bro, listen me, man. And you want to say, if you want to do it, man, make me do it now, man.
Yeah, man.
That means I say every day, family will call me. Last time, family used to bust it and say, yo, I need to call. Don't let that. But that is that on the whole day and look for me. To make me and him go out of family, bro. Please.
Got you right now, more the fire, bro. More the fire, got you. More the fire, bro. Not even feel comfortable where you're there right now. All this fuck you're going, dog. I tell you, God living truth, my father. You didn't feel comfortable where you're going. Got you know them a pray to you, got you. You know that, you know. Because them a pray boss, them after they pray to you, bro.
No, but.
You know, I'm telling you, I'm telling you,
I don't do nobody nothing.
Punish you, dog.
I don't do nobody nothing. Me and nobody no war.
You deserve for dead. You deserve for dead neither, dog.
If me can just go on, me not stay.
Like the
stay low. How would I say? Not say stay low, but just stay out of people and reach, bro. You understand? Yeah. Bro, not even somebody couldn't God know a dog birthday tomorrow and the dog go doing TikTok and make some people laugh. And kill him, bro. So me know, me have to use sleep and mark that because me couldn't get it. Me couldn't get it. The dog birthday today, bro. One dog, roll and lick at him.
Birthday, boss.
Yo, Gotti.
Happy birthday,
you know what I'm saying? Either between you and Prime Minister, I want to do a tune for you, brother. And a big one.
Happy birthday, boss.
See you.
The whole chat coming, happy birthday, dog.
I want to do a tune for you, brother.
Alright, you a legend, dog. That young youth. Peace, man.
I want to do a tune, either I want to collab, I want to do something for you, brother. I want to do something. So they're different, you see me? Yeah, more every time I go on my vehicle, I tune them out, tear it off. I want to tear off piece of rubber sitting with another. That I want in a real life.
Happy birthday, boss. Big up on your strong youth, rest in peace. Happy birthday, boss. Buckler, dog. God know, dog.
Prime Minister, do something for you.
Bro, you ever see a man run and a search if gunshot touch him? Me that, bro, I run for my life last night. And the reason why I run for my life, bro, 2 hours we couldn't go down so, bro. 2 hours we couldn't go down so. I tell her, all about said the real friend name. God knows. All about said.
Yo, my youth, it's funny, yo, my neighbor, yo, I'm Marvin, I know the man that said that. Yeah, that's not the episode, I know the man, brother, I don't know, like, no, it's him who got it. Really good G, really good baby, brother. Grew up. You understand the shit? Yo, JJ. You should have a soul sometime, dog. Too much of a little friend, them messages.
Yeah, this is a jacket I bust it, show you. Nobody not coming at this room unless boss it did it. Snow, me see you in unless boss it did it. And me alone can walk through the whole house and come in at my room, bro. Without nobody even question me. What me say? Without nobody say that where you grow this because they know, bro. Believe no man, bro, me can't dog. Binds.
And I see my dog a fuck with them dog. Oh God, bad man, oh God, got him man. Got you, oh God, got you man, I get to live no life in a dog. Got you. Right now, me a broken at every girl me a fucking a dog. God no dog, we not get no youth, we not nothing dog. We just enjoy life, I try to be smart in a life dog and nothing so bro. Oh God, bad man. Oh God dog, oh God got you man. Just as you got you supposed to know got you, oh God dog. Jaja, that boss said me know boss said before everybody when me know up on TikTok, you know. Probably I got Bumbo class school in a bro, Marvin in a dog. from more than days in a dog. Oh God, man. Man, even live no life, bro. Was it just was so boom boom? Was it just was so pussy and somebody I was said good in the youth? Jaja dog. Man,
That's it, brother. That's it, brother. I'm not bother people, man, yo. A man stay far from violence, brother. In a real life, a man stay far from trouble. In a real life.
Yeah, bro.
Bro,
No problem,
yeah.
yeah.
Trouble dog is, bro, sometimes something just happen bad, man. You see me? Sometimes
When I have to just help me hold it, dog. When I have to hold me up, dog. Cause right now, my youth, I can't walk up the road as me drop down, zin. I can't turn up too long.
Yo, Gotti. Remember, sir, 2 years ago, you know, brother. 2 years ago, them dash him little never, you know. My little never, Chevy bossed, you know.
Yeah.
Chevy bossed. Them dash him, and them man in trouble, people, and them man that play game, fuck, woman. That's it. Just fuck pussy, that's it. And them dash them off, nothing at all.
You know, say, one night they never go over one place, and when he come back, he can't find his slippers, dog, take his slippers. Remember when he just ride up.
do off this for me now.
Yeah.
And the dog I say, Gotti, you know, say some people are going like they want silence me, ray.
Champion catch money, just blow off.
Upstairs and one coconut. Chevy David, I'm going to upstairs and coconut.
Yeah, dog.
And I say, Chevy get that show after me tell Chevy, say, Chevy, go on back America. Nobody make nobody feel like you're deported on you. Go on back. And the man say, Gotti, tomorrow I left. And the man then kill him like today.
Yeah.
I gotta come to America so bad.
God know
Yeah,
that.
I'm going to call down that, hold on.
Me never feel pain like that in my life, it got it. Me not lie, cause me know the man a trouble people and bother people, brother. The man is a trouble people.
Me,
You
chop.
understand?
Me chop inside, bro. Come on, show you something. Apart from everything, remember. But said I'm an idol. I'm a
Everywhere
G.
you go, you see Busted and Gotti everywhere. I even told Gotti the other day, don't ever let him down, please.
Me could never do that.
I know.
Trust me, could never.
Every time I see you both.
Bro, if me the round buses, not noticing say got it, crush out this for me and weed. Nobody not trust nobody with no farm of weed. For even crush out to give them. Bro, I'm a dog that, bro. I went bust it.
Love you.
Fuck him at any time. It's just some man in play. Whereas when we off camera, play laugh.
All we do is laugh. That's the
That's it.
only person that can diss me all day. Only person that make me laugh. Every day I go live with Busted for hours. For hours. My favorite person.
But we go try work on this so we can have this. Right now I'm breaking a break because I never expect it, you know? And then at the end of the day, we can't tell ourselves that we're not really in or not when we know we're not in or because if somebody come and then see we on the light, then go spear we. If you say, yo, you hear me? That one, the other one, they're not in or nothing, but that one, the other one, they are etc. Then go try to kill everything. Witness everybody. Zane, believe. Bro, I tell her last night, me don't know how me get away, bro. God know I must have to tell the tales. God know me I tell her. And I'm nothing else. Because I'm on the man side to side, so till he say go put your bag in a car. Believe. And to that the close range there, for me get away, God you love me. You really do care.
Got the best believe, brother. I just name for your time, dog, and I real life, cause you know your road code. You know your road code. I name for your time, dog.
Yeah, I tell her the way how I feel hurt.
Believe.
I don't understand the way how I feel hurt. I feel like
Believe.
Now jumping out the window, dancing, laughing, wearing the pink glasses.
You know me feel this one. I feel tear inside, I feel cut up. I feel everything I say. Disencouragement. Quit life. Yo, you know don't understand still. You don't understand. God know. I tell her say, the way how you think happen, bro. A shock wave will lick me when this happen. One night time me I run and it feel like I fly because I can't feel my foot. Me have one slippers, you know. Me can't feel my foot on the ground. But me know, like when me I run, bro. True, remember you know. Me not young, you know. Me not no little boy, you know. Zane,